How to embed social media feeds on your website. Log into your Taggbox widget account or else create new account. Select Create Widget button, enter widget name and save your changes. Select the feed source to fetch feeds. Here we are using Instagram. Enter the hashtag to fetch feeds and click on Create Feed. Now the feeds will appear on your dashboard. To add more feeds, click on Add Feed and select Platform. Here we use Twitter. Enter the hashtag, like we are using GoPro here, and click on Create Feed button. Now within a few moments posts will appear in the widget editor. It's time to embed widget on website. For embedding, click on Embed Widget button. Choose your website building platform. Here we use HTML. Click on Get Code and copy the code. Paste the copied code at the back end of your website. Great! You have successfully embedded the social feeds on your website.